Join us on our travels as we check out all that there is to see on the Dutch waterways. G'day everyone, this is my husband Katran. My name's Michelle. And these are our two kids, Fleur and Anouk. Come join us. We hope you enjoy our videos. We are Empress Sailing. Hello again everyone, and thanks again for watching our videos. In this episode you'll see some of the different things we've been up to over the winter months. Here in the Netherlands it did get pretty chilly, but our dreams of setting sail in the sun were never far from our minds. We've all been doing different things in the hopes of getting better at sailing and improving our skills all around. During winter, Anouk discovered her passion for baking. I took a hobby course in hairdressing. Any trip through Central Station, Amsterdam's always exciting. So for a fun family day out, we took the girls on the train and took them to the big sports store where we could all have a fiddle and try out everything. And yes, we came home with 2 brand new scooters. We celebrated all the Dutch traditional days, even when lots of things were cancelled. We made our own party.
De meisjes hebben rokjes aan, de jongens hebben sokjes aan. I'm gonna skate and do tricks.
Okay, go. After having practice on the girls, I was up to men's cuts, which I had no idea was like 10 times harder than just girls' hair. Katran and I made a special trip to The Hague to renew all our Aussie passports. We know for certain that they will come in handy. Flo really honed in on her scouting skills, which will definitely come in handy on a boat.
This one you hold in this hand. So this one.
Flo really wanted to try and burp like a man, but some things just aren't meant to be.
First hold the rope like this. Then go like this, twist it one time through at the back and pull, and you have the 8.
Awesome.
Looks a bit like a life
Zo. Kort tikje. Nou, pak je de volgende.
Okay.
Stuk als vooruitje. Zo.
Knaks.
Nog een keer.
Down.
To Fleur's delight, I got a bit competitive when she was invited to a Halloween party. Even due to Corona, we still managed to celebrate Sinterklaas.
Wat er hier is geschreven.
Wil je pakjes brengen?
Before going to bed, they'd sing and sing and sing their hearts out, so make sure that they get a present.
Uit Spanje weer aan. Hij brengt ons niet.
The girls still put their shoes out with drawings and a list of what they wanted.
Ze hebben je lijstje gekregen.
We did have to say goodbye to some very dear neighbours whom the girls played with every day in our street. But kids grow up and people move on. All our birthdays and Christmas were celebrated all in a much lower key than the other years, but the girls hardly complained. We're going on a bear hunt. We're going to catch a big one. What a beautiful day. I'm not scared. Uh-oh. Mud.
Dit duurt maar.
We can't go over it. We can't go under it.
Oh no, we gotta go through it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Only white?
No, well you can choose. You can have more colours if you like.
Yeah, I have more colors.
During the winter and lockdown, just like any family struggling with homeschooling and work life, we worked hard to find the right balance and made sure to enjoy the little things in life.
Lang zal ze leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de
Bye, honey. Many milk teeth have been lost between the girls in the last few months. I don't even know how many. One tooth coming out I will never forget was when Anouk came tobogganing down a hill a little bit too fast and crashed into another girl, causing her tooth to shoot from her mouth into the snow. I thought it was probably the coolest way you could ever lose a tooth.
I'm standing on the water.
Yeah. The weather did its best and we got to skate on natural ice in our local park. The fact that we couldn't go see family or friends, we had to make our own party.
My feet are making an egg. Woohoo!
This is fancy, Dad.
I'm doing it all by myself.
You are too well done. We're skating. Whee! Okay, go. Under the trees.
W, X, Y, and Z. Zit ook hartjes aan de zijkant.
Ja, doe maar.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Anouk.
En hier zitten er 3 babytjes in.
After getting through a really long and cold winter, there were finally murmurs in the air that our beloved boat Empress was going from her spot on the hard and had her splash date booked in. Trying to clean the curler.
Yes, today is the 2 days before the boat goes back in the water. Splash day.
Although slightly frowned upon, we all wanted to help, scrubbing her down, painting her bottom and repairing her. Katron was an absolute whiz, fixing lots of broken things and making some improvements to her all ready for the new season. My favorite letter is
A. E.
A or E? Oh,
E.
E. Okay. Well done. Yay. Ow. Sore hands?